Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Here for another glorious morning. Let's see what happens. Got one going, guys. Got one going. Feels like a little backbone. Just hope it's not a skate. No, I just saw it swimming. What do we got? Oh, sure. Get up here. I think this guy's a little bit small. I don't want my finger bitten off like that other poor YouTuber had bit his pinky off. I was like, woo! I don't think he's too big enough to keep. A friend of mine would certainly like it, but I think he's a little small. So you know what we're gonna do. Whoa, 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 whoa. What do we got? What do we got? A little head shake. A lot of head shake. Somebody told me what this one was. I'll have to look them up. Beautiful fish though. Must look like a piggy. This was on a sand flea. Big sand flea too. He's a glutton. Guys, I forgot to turn on the camera, but we got a nice whiting. This was a, hey, stop it, stop it. This was on a double sand flea. Nice size one too. Yeah, you're gonna hit winter now. Oh, so that was nice. It was pretty dead here for a little while. But all of a sudden, double sand flea bent over. Like, woo! All right, let's get some more sand fleas on there and get her back out. What can it be now? Tuggy, tuggy. Wow, I haven't had one of these in a couple of days. I guess that's kind of good, huh? Or a few days. Is your pussycat? Alright, you've seen the, you know, the legits of this, so. Just got another whiting, guys. Ooh. He got himself off. Come on. I know you don't want to go, but you going. Well, it's too whiting this morning. All right, let me get the... I need another 2 sand fleas on this one because I had a hit. And this one, they took all my shrimp, so... It wouldn't be a morning without a snaggle. Ay, caramba. You know my tail's bitten off. Hear him snap that tail. Mr. Snaggletooth. Gotcha that time. A lot of head shake, feels like it might be a spade fish. Ha ha ha. That might not be half bad. But I told you, been stealing my bait all morning. Again, watch those little prongs down here. See that? They'll get you. Just all those V's, that's all sand fleas. All right.